We've been sitting behind shutters all afternoon because it's 30. It's not 30 now, it's about 29. It feels quite comfortable, but I think that's because the sun's not out. We've got storms forecast. It's looking promising, isn't it? I'm going to go and cut some buddleia cuttings from Francoise's buddleia. I found this today, the one remaining cutting that I took for my friend Simone, which I've managed to neglect so well, but actually it did flower. Well, it is flowering, and it's survived despite my neglect. So Laurence says that I just need to take some cuttings and poke them into the ground and they'll just do it. So I think that's what I'm going to do along the back here, because that's what I did with this lavender, was just cuttings that I poked in the ground. I also put rosemary in, but that's not there. So I thought I could just shove the buddleia in here, because as you can see, it's just a patch that needs something to do its own thing. Something for a neglectful gardener, and that's me. Now, I'm going to risk going down to see if this chicken shed is open so they can go in, and hope that I'm not going to get wet on the way back up. Okay guys, on y va. I have a horrible suspicion that these 3 pullets are going to be cockerels. A horrible suspicion. All my hopes are dashed. That's up there somewhere. Well, obviously up there in the sky. It's not down here, is it? Everybody, just hope I don't get wet. I think I might have to leave the buddleia cuttings until after the storm. No, it's not open. Good, let's open that for them. Oh, that doesn't want to open. There you go. I think I might have to close you in though, because the wind will get it. Go on. Excuse me. Oi. Have you got feathers? No. Go on. Go on. I don't think you have feathers. Oh, you're a bad sheep. Go on. Go on. Right, let's close this. Oh, God. Don't all follow me. Come on. God, it's impossible. I'll block this open with something. Oh. What have we got? All the hens. 1 pullet, 2 pullets. Okay. And no sheep. No. Right, there's one job done. For now. Right, let's see if I can get back up the garden before it rains. It doesn't feel like it's going to rain. No. No. Tree eater. Oh, I think I can hear rain. Oh, good timing. Yeah, just in time. I'll get my secateurs out of here. Take them indoors. Cool. Yes, I thought so. The beginnings of a rainbow up there. It's a double one. I can just about see. Well, they're normally double, aren't they? I can just about see. I can't work out how to show you. Just about there is the double. Don't know what that is, a reflection or something. That's so faint, that rainbow, you probably can't see it. I could hear Jazz. Are you sheltering from the rain under there? That's the best place, isn't it? You'll never get wet under there, will you? Under the table and under the umbrellas.